coders. We're back, updated the title, and we should be good to go. So let's get back into it, back what we were doing yesterday. We got to the point where we had a bunch of issues debugging and building, but I eventually got the build to work, and we're having some issues even then with an environment variable not being picked up. Whoops. But anyway, we got past that. We got it to run and invoke the UDP calls and have this logging here, but we're not actually logging the results. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do print aggregate stat. Oh my gosh, stats. Right, and then we'll give it the stats. Hopefully, dot client. There's because it moved. Let's see. Stats. Oh, okay. So stats dot lock dot unwrap. Right. Let's see. That's still not working. It's not liking that. Yeah. Wait 1 sec. Stats vec performance stats. Expected that, but found mutex vec guard. Okay. So we'll do that. Mutex vec that and see if that resolves it. It doesn't look like it. Mutex guard. Let's just do mutex. Right. And we'll go down here. Let unwrapped stats dot stats dot block dot unwrap, and then down here on we're good. Stats unwrapped stats. Okay. Stats length. Okay, let's run it. See if it runs. I feel like it won't for some reason. Let's go. So hopefully this runs, and then we can see the stats of their own. It looks like, it might have built. Nope, figured. It's not an iterator. But what is it? Okay. So if I do iter, does that work? Hopefully. Oh man, I'm tired. And let's go back, see if there's any chats. No chats. Okay. Nope, still doesn't work. Lock unwrap dot one. Okay, stats length. Let's do unwrapped. Stats dot length. Is this gonna be an issue? No, it doesn't look like it. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, build, maybe. I don't know why this takes so long. Oh man. Let's go. Got my coffee. Okay, let's go. Let's build. Let's take a look at what we got. go, let's go, let's go, let's go, run. One more dependency. There we go. Nope. Attempt to divide by 0. Attempt to divide by 0. What? How? Where's the 0? Some stuff. Attempted to divide by 0. How is... Oh. Dot... What? What is... I don't get it. 2 back? Really? 32... back? Okay. Let's try that. Oh man, it's gonna take forever to build again. Do I have to unwrap it? No, I guess not. Okay, it's going. I wonder if there's anything I can close to speed up my laptop. Look, we're at 85 whatever and 95 memory. Need to get my new laptop. I feel like maybe it's faster in PowerShell. I should probably just do that. Come on. Alright, after this one, we're going to PowerShell. There we go. Did it work? No. Attempt to divide by 0. That's weird. Let's just hard code it. How many are we doing? Let's go to main. Whoops. Go to main. And we're doing 100 iterations. Let's go to PowerShell now. Let's go copy. Oh man, let's just do cargo run. Actually, how do I, this isn't gonna work, right? Let's go here, set command line args PowerShell Rust. Like, what is going on? How to pass command line arguments to executable in PowerShell? Jeez. Dude, how am I not finding this? Like, is this so hard for... What? Dude, what the heck? What the heck? Okay, so is this just... Is that it? Is it... Inspector on dot dash L. Equals. Okay. Ah, it's building now. Ooh. It's weird. Why did it not? How did it? What? I'm confused. Average duration 0. Okay. Zero though. What? That's how. What? But I measured nanos. How is it? That's nanos. That's weird. Is it really? That's weird. That's it. Let's do delay. Red. Sleep. 10. Okay. Let's run. Okay. What's the problem? Duration found integer. Duration. From seconds 1. Okay, let's run it. That's weird. There's more dependencies it looks like for this than where's It's not. That's weird. Okay, that's weird. Alright. Okay, what are we doing? I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. Let's go. So it's being really interesting. I think this isn't a really good test. So let's take a look at health check, right? Nonce. So the one thing we saw yesterday that was an issue is that that we we generate the nonce here, but so from socket address, let's do from value socket address self return phone from that, and let's do is nonce nonce U816. Okay, yeah, so this isn't gonna work. We're gonna do another one and pull. Let's do trait from nonce socket address for health. Oops. T, and then we'll do fun from value. Let's just copy this from that self, and then nonce U816. Okay, turn self, and then we go like that, get rid of that, go like that, and then we'll do impl health check network broker message from nonce socket address for this from nonce let's go here. Nonce. Okay. So the reason for this is what I want to do is basically be able to time this, right? So here we're generating the nonce with every time we generate a new health check broker message, right? So it'll be very hard for, like, what I want to do is take the nonce, store it in some sort of map with the start time, and then when we get back an acknowledgement, look up on that nonce in that map and find the start time and take the current time and calculate the duration of that request. So to do that, we have to be able to actually get the nonce, and if it's generated every time a request is made, then it's going to be more difficult to get versus generating the nonce, storing it in that table, and then passing it into the health check broker message. So that's why I made it so it has a from nonce now trait that'll take in the nonce and basically use that so that we have the ability to generate these packets more specifically with a specific nonce. Now I gotta remind myself where I actually use this, and it's in the health check network handler, right? So here we are, sender message. So we have the opcode handler params, and then where do we package it? So we got what do we got? We got our handler, we got the payload header. So we receive the message here, right? So if we receive it, that means we it's just the message. So network broker message is where network broker message. So here, pop into there. So we have the payload, the packet, and the remote sender, right? Okay. So then, where do we? So we're in the health check network broker. Send handle will listen for a request, and this is health check broker message. Okay, so then, in the CLI is where we are actually executing, right? Oh, you know what, dude? So we actually, okay, we could have just done that all along, just construct it manually, and that works, I guess. So that's that. So, you know what? Actually, you know what? This might be a good thing. So we have the nonce at this point, right? So this can live in here. So let's do, let's put in here a timings map. I don't know if I need the map part, but we'll leave it for now. Mutex map hash map, and this will be U16, and or should we do? What should we do? Should we do network? No, not network broker message. So I guess the key could be a nonce, right? Nonce. So U16, and then what are we gonna put here? They're just a nonce or the whole packet? Let's do the whole packet. So health check packet, right? No, it says the health check network broker, right? Okay, so let's see, we have that, right? So I think receive, that's receive, that's fine. Run, and then receiver, okay, receiver, sender, request receiver,